Hey there, Mama Strong. My name is Michou, and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. Today's video is a little bit different because it's a holiday in the life of a mom in Hawaii. So yes, for those of you who don't know, I live in Hawaii and I have two beautiful children, and of course I am married to my husband, as you can see all of them in the picture. This type of video has been a tradition in my channel since my daughter was born, or after 1 year of the birth of my daughter. So I wanted to keep the tradition going. Actually, today, the day that we are doing this video, or the day that we're putting our tree together, is actually on Veterans Day. So it is truly is a holiday. But anyways, since my daughter is home, she doesn't have school today, we thought to just do the tradition and put our tree together. We do this every year as a family tradition ever since she was born, like I mentioned. So today we're gonna put our tree together. I'm gonna do a few decoration as well. I'm gonna clean and decorate a few spaces. So I'm going to do our Christmas decoration tour in another video, since everything actually changed after this video. I found other ornaments that I forgot. So yeah, I found them, so then I'm gonna put them on the Christmas tree and on the other decor as well. So stay tuned for that, the Christmas decoration tour. I'll do it in a separate video. Anyways, I wanted to do this voiceover to just explain to, I guess, my my old subscriber that I'm not going to be doing Vidmas this year. And I don't think I'm going to be doing Vidmas anymore starting this year and from next year and so forth. It's just it takes a lot on me, and I do call it Vidmas, not Vlogmas, because Vidmas is my version of Vlogmas. I pretty much put 5 videos. Vidmas is my version of Vlogmas, in which I put 5 videos a week from December 1st until Christmas. So these are not necessarily vlogs, it's pretty much just beauty videos, so that's why I call them Vidmas. But yeah, I'm not gonna be able to put 5 videos a week anymore, since life is very hectic right now. So that is why I'm just gonna put like a couple videos a week, but I'm not gonna be calling them Vidmas anymore, since it's technically not Vidmas anymore. So anyways, sorry for my old subscribers. I do apologize, but I don't want to promise you that I'm gonna put videos out when I don't have the time and the energy, and I have to edit and everything. So I'd rather just put good content for you guys so that you can enjoy them, and we all have a good time. Anyway, so that's pretty much why I decided to do this tree decoration and share it with you guys, since it has been a tradition. But I'm not gonna be doing Vidmas anymore.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would've known I would've made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights, 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 like stars around you that sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you. I'm not alone. It's you and me. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would've known I would've made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights. Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would've known I would've made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by.
So we have decided to do this year's theme color to be black and red. So that is why this tree is not done, because I couldn't find any of the red ornament at this time when we did this, but I totally remembered after we finished everything where I put it when we moved to this house. So that's pretty much why I'm going to show you the end result in another video. But anyways, this is how the tree looked like. There's a lot of memories on this tree, like our ornament, our first Christmas as husband and wife, our daughter's first Christmas, etc. So there's a lot of, you know, sentimental ornaments here. And also I'm gonna add my son's picture because we still needed to print out his picture for the tree, so that's another thing. And also you guys will see it later, but we tried, because this is a flocked tree, so it's going to be, you know, it's going to shed everywhere, it's gonna be all over the carpet. So I tried to vacuum it, but my vacuum died because I forgot to charge it. So that is why my husband is actually you know, he's just using the little dustpan to like pick up all the flock off the carpet. But that's what's going on here. And yes, don't mind my children, especially my daughter. She loves being on camera, so that's why she always likes to pose for you guys. I hope you don't mind that. I haven't been showing them often at all on camera this year, so I guess, you know, you got a glimpse of my children for the holiday season. And also I wanted to let you know that so it's gonna be mixed this year. I'm gonna do a few vlogs, but I'm also mainly going to be doing beauty, since that's what this channel is all about. So I'm gonna be doing beauty, but still gonna be a few holiday in Hawaii vlogs that I will share with you guys. So I hope, you know, for my mommy vloggers and those that like watching vlogs, that you will enjoy that. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna have you enjoy the rest of the decoration, and I'll be back towards the end of the video.
So quickly, it's Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would have known I would have made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights, 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 like stars around you that sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you. I'm not alone. It's you and me. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would have known I would have made my best friend on that night. Under 1,000 Christmas lights.
And for those of you who are interested in where the decors are from, don't worry. I will let you know during the tour, the Christmas decor tour of my house. I will tell you where everything is from. It's pretty much from Amazon, Target, and Michael's actually. So yeah, I will let you know that then. Also, don't sorry about the troll video in the background. I just had to put that on to distract my son from pulling all the flocks off the tree. I know a lot of you can relate with that with little ones. But anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching Mama Strong. Don't forget to subscribe. It will help my channel grow, and I appreciate every single one of you. And I do want to welcome all the new subscribers, and also I would like to thank the old subscriber for still sticking with me throughout the whole journey. Anyways, talk to you in another video. Mwah.